Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use hide apps in Samsung, updated. Open Settings, then go straight to Home Screen or Lock Screen and Security options to find Hide Apps Controls and Secure folder. Tap the appropriate menu, select the apps you want hidden, and confirm with your PIN or biometric to keep them private on your device. Start from your home screen and open Home Settings, then choose Hide Apps. Pick each app you want off the Home and App drawer, tap Apply, and confirm your choice. For stronger privacy, move sensitive apps into Secure folder and protect it with a PIN or fingerprint so apps remain hidden and inaccessible without your consent. If your phone behaves differently, check for software updates and explore Secure folder settings for extra control. Consider switching to a third-party launcher that supports hidden apps if needed, and remember hidden apps still occupy storage and can show in System Settings or Search unless fully restricted with Secure folder protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.